manager, Msando, who has been missing since Friday night, has been found dead and his body at the City Mortuary. This comes at a time when the police had said investigations had heightened. Just at the wee hours of this morning, 1 a.m., his car had been discovered in Roysambu, around the Kasarani area. His car had been towed to the Kasarani police station as investigations continue. But news reaching us now is that he has been found dead and his body is at the City Mortuary. The family had been frantically looking for him since he went missing. We understand the last communication he had was on Friday when he sent a message to one of his colleagues at 3 a.m. But quite unfortunate there, he has been found dead. A man who has been making news the past 3 days, just 8 days to the election. A man who was expected to take charge as far as the integration system for the elections was concerned. He was the custodian, so to speak, of the servers for the IEBC. And this could probably throw out the electoral body off balance from his death. Speculations have been rife on the social media following the investigations and the news that he had been missing. But the breaking story now is that it is a sad end to the mystery regarding the missing IEBC ICT manager, Msando. The family is confirming that Msando has been found dead and his body is currently at the City Mortuary. It is not yet clear how Msando died, but police and the IEBC have said he went missing on Friday night at about 10 p.m. We can now speak to our standard reporter, Moses Mishira, who is at the City Mortuary. We will be joining him via phone to just get updates. Moses. All right, we will be looking for Moses Mishira, Standard Group reporter for the Standard newspaper, who's covering this particular breaking story for us at the City Mortuary. A search that has been frantic since Friday ends in a sad, it is a sad end for it as the mystery finally comes to an end regarding the missing ICT manager. Remember, just this morning, the wee hours at 1 a.m., his car had been discovered in Roysambu. Perhaps increasing hope that he would be found, especially among his family members. But it seems not to be the case. He has been found dead. His body is at the City Mortuary. This is the man who was expected to be in charge of the servers, as about 19.6 Kenyans took to the polls in just about 8 days. And this is probably expected to throw the electoral body off balance with his death. But we expect that they will be sending a statement. About 2 days ago, they sent a statement confirming that one of them was missing since Friday. The family has been looking everywhere from hospitals to mortuaries, and they have just confirmed that his body has been found at the City Mortuary. The cause of the death still remains a mystery. This is a story we continue to closely follow up on. And we'll definitely be bringing you details of that developing story. But in studio, I am joined by lawyer Nelson Harvey, who came in to talk to us about an array of issues, one of them being the overprinting of ballot papers. But I don't know whether you would want to comment on that.
Well, it's very shocking. This comes at a very critical time. Our sincere condolences to the family of the late Mr. Msando. But I think this is something that the people in charge of security need to deal with great satisfaction to the Kenyan population. When the information came out yesterday, it was the expectation of the people that this is not one of those incidences that may go towards crippling the election exercise. But